Good morning. Myself, Mahalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Applications, Sri Kalshari College, Sivagasi. Here we are going to discuss about iterative statements and jumping statements in Python programming. First, we need to know what is iterative statements. Iterative statements are also called as looping statements. So, what is looping? We need to execute single condition in more number of times. We go for iterative statements, that is called looping statements. In Python programming, generally it supports two types of loops. First one is while loop and second one is for loop. First we go into while loop. Now what is while loop? The syntax is given in below. While condition statements. The condition means what condition we need to check to specify the statements in the condition block. So this is a simple loop for while loop. First, we initialize I equal to 1, then check the condition inside the loop using while. Then iterative statements are checking and print the outputs from 1 to n numbers. So then we go for loop. For loop is same as while loop. So we are going to check two numbers, like positive or negative number integers, or else we are going to check more number of iterations using for loop. This is a simple syntax for loop in Python language. So this is an example for loop. So here we are going to check conditions using numbers. Then the condition checking, the condition is true means the output will be printed. If the for loop condition fail means it will be print the default statement, that is else statement. Next we are going to else in loop and nested loops. What is nested loop? Loop inside another one loop. That is called nested loop. Inside the loops. What is in the inside the loops? We are going to use two statements, two condition statements. First, we need to check one condition. If the condition is true means we are going to check another one condition. That is called nested loop. Here is the syntax for looping statement. So this is a simple example for nested loop. So the first condition true means the condition is going to check second condition. Then the true block executable statements will be print the output statement. In case the condition fail means it will be automatically going to print the false block. That is right in the else statement. Then break statement. What is break statement? My condition is checking. My flow of program executions is going on. In between, I need to stop the program using the keyword break. So this is a simple example for break statement. Here, I check the condition. Fruits equal to apple, mango, banana, whatever it is. Then I pass the argument in for loop. Printing statement it will be executed. Once it will be executed, again I now need to continue the looping statements. At that time, I using the keyword break to stop flow of execution in iterative statements. So this is called as break statement. So next is continuous statements. Continuous statement is just opposite for break statement. The break statement functionality is what? To stop the flow of execution. As just opposite, continuous statement, what it will be do to continue more number of loops again and again using looping statements. That is a working methodology of continuous statement. So, which keyword is used to continue statement? Just using the keyword continue. So this is a simple example for continuous statement. Here we see the keyword continue before printing the statements. If the condition is true, my output it will be print. But I now need to stop the execution. Again and again I need to execute. So we can use continue. The statement helps us to execute the flow of execution again and again. So this is a simple iterative and breaking statements in Python programming. So and we are going to pass statement. So what is pass? It's a difference between break at continuous state. The flow of executions is continued. At one certain stage, I need to pass my execution. What I can do using the keyword pass. So this is an example for pass statement. So here what I can take, I assign the value to a two variable. Going to check the condition using if statement. Then in between I can use the keyword pass. So the flow of execution some certain time it will be passed, not running. Thank you.